Wagwan people, I'm Miniam Tevin and this is
Shanika.
And welcome again to the Jamaican Patois corner where we teach you how to chat the Jamaican Patois language. If you want to learn more, stick around, man.
We soon forward.
Okay guys, welcome back. Now in today's video, we'll be taking a look at some simple day-to-day proverbs that Jamaicans use. Jamaican proverbs are metaphorical sayings normally based on truth or on general human experiences throughout history. Jamaican proverbs reflect both African and also European influences. And I would say that the main purpose of these proverbs is to teach about life survival. Now we're gonna take a look at the first proverb, and that is rain a fall, but dirty tough. Now I know you must be wondering what this means, so we are going to make Shanika help us out. Shanika.
Okay, so let's take a look at this proverb in depth. First and foremost, we want to look at the translation. The direct translation for this proverb is, it is raining, but the earth is hard. Now let's take a look at the meaning. This simply means, even though one is working hard, their income is unable to cover all their expenses. Or you can look at it from this slide. As soon as one works, all their money evaporates, just like drizzle in a dry desert.
What going, bossy?
Oh, yes, G. Everything good?
Yeah, man, but the healing ain't sound right, brother. What going? Talk to me.
Oh, right now, I can't give a proper healing, so I'm vex, man. I like people laugh after me.
What you talking?
I tell you, get a little work the other day, no?
Yeah, man.
So, for the work, and boss say, yo, we can give a promotion and never run that presentation for me, isn't it?
Yeah.
Running like me hot, but I flop myself, my youth. Go in and give me one presentation and spot and talk about. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Not get no further than good morning, me say good morning, ladies, and fast it fly out my youth in front of everybody. Man, I laugh. All the girls in my rate I laugh after me, man. Yeah, laugh too.
Oh, just cool, man. Just cool, man. But you can't help it, my youth. Then just fly, my youth.
Right now, we can't find the money if you go buy no more dentures, brethren. And them dentures, they condemn. No, I tell us, as me get him money, he run out my youth. As me get him money done. I tell us, rain a fall, but it dirty tough.
Why, tough it true.
Hold on, you think you hear nothing yet? I want you to make you laugh. Proverb number 2 was sweet nanny goat, I go run in belly. Shanika, help we out now.
That one is indeed funny, Tevin, I must agree. Now we're going to look at the translation again. We're going to look at that first. The translation for that is, what is tasty to a goat will cause it to have diarrhea. Now the meaning is quite simple. Let's look at it. This simply means what is pleasurable to you now or what is enjoyable to you now will cause you hurt later. As simple as that.
Punsi!
Yeah, Papa?
Come a girl picking.
I want to know, Papa.
Punsi, me not tell her to leave the Deegan boy alone.
Which boy you chat about,
The
Papa?
same boy we always done a road with.
So, Papa, me can't bother, no, me feel left him now. And the baby all in a nice sitting there.
Nice things where you talk about kind of nice.
Yes, Papa, so nice things. It's all a nice phone the Papa you use and him buy give me.
Hold on, you mean fi tell me say a phone that me a listen me nice gospel song on a Sunday
Yeah,
morning
Papa,
time?
that same phone there.
Hold on, kiss me neck.
Hey.
You mean fi tell me say a same phone that want me a take all of them nice picture there?
Yes, Papa.
Hold on, you mean fi tell me say a same phone there want me a do all of my WhatsApp calling to our video to all of my little gram picking them? You mean fi tell me say a the boy buy me a phone there?
Yes, Papa, and buy give me a me give you. Yes, Papa, that same nice phone there. Papa, where you go? That's the phone?
Oh, you mean? Listen, what go for the goose, go for the gander. If you don't fi chat to the Deegan boy, me no want him phone for use.
Lord Jesus, Papa, me not like you, no, me not gonna call people, no man.
Eh, you forget how you come here through teenage pregnancy. Listen, me I want you in a pussy. Was sweet nanny goat, I go run in belly. He will run in my belly. And I so come here. So me I want you punch listen to me good. Was sweet nanny goat. I go run in belly. Me I want you, you know. You see me see a boy there me gate again.
Where you going to now?
I want the rest is history.
Nice. And I like all people.
That one that's sweet, no, it gets even more interesting. Now, the next proverb that we'll be taking a look at is, if you live in a glass house, don't throw a stone. You see, if you're one of them people that will love to criticize people, I want you to feel. Shanika, tell them some more now.
This is really getting interesting, I must say. Now, again, let's look at the translation. The translation for this one is, if you are living in a glass house, then refrain from throwing stones. And the meaning for this is, whatever deem offensive to you, do not do it to others. Or, do not criticize someone for something or a fault that you yourself have. Let's look at the other one. Gretel, come here, girl. Come here, me have something to tell you.
I want no Myrtle.
Girl, me have something to tell you. Me say me and Susan go on function. Where there? And me tell her say, me look on the girl to see if she improving her dressing, you know. And me tell her she no make it at all.
Ah, Jesus.
When me look on her shoes, me say no, that's not the right shoes. Me look on the clothes, me say no, size too big. It look like it want take up. And girl, most of all, she have on her makeup, but it no look good. Why? Because Gretel, Paul, you ever see how the woman nose big?
But well, I know, wait, Myrtle, let me ask that question, girl. You feel your nose so big too?
Hold on, I'm full side of the pan.
But you don't know, well, I know, Myrtle, you don't know, say enough of the show where you can't take.
No, sir. Me come and tell us, and you come to the pan. Me understand you, man. No, you're my friend.
Let me tell you, see, my grandmother used to tell me, say, if you live in a glass house, not throw a stone.
You know what? Let me take myself, Gamil, because you just agree with me today.
Lord have mercy, alright.
We want you to keep up, you know, because we say no soldier get left behind. So all we ask you to do is just what? Fake it till you make it. Now, the final one that we'll be taking a look at is, and our same day leave drop of water bottom is rotten. Shanika will explain more in details what this one you mean.
So we have come to our final proverb. And I'm going to, as usual, say the translation first. The translation for this one is, it is not the same day a leaf drops into water that it begins to rot. So let's take a look at the meaning. And the meaning is, not everything that one does, especially bad, will be revealed immediately. Or one will wait a long time just to be even with someone who has done him or her wrong.
What going, Joe?
Hey, I know Maxine, what happened?
Bye, me good man. Hey.
I'm glad to see you, man. But Maxine, how you sound, sir? What you do now?
Me not do nothing, man. Me just, me a company of Miss Jane, but me just take out the quick and snack out the shop.
Maxine, how you thief, so?
I'm a thief. Me said, Joe, you know, I'm a thief. Me just take in and sneak it to Miss Jane.
Maxine, you fit top thief.
Me not a thief, man, but you know, I go, man, everything me sell, me have to take a little bit for myself.
Boy, Maxine, you want you know, listen, you need them, I go catch up on you one day, you know.
Top nice, man, top nice. I'm talking about. You not see, man, you see.
We will see. Now come on me yard when it happen. Well, I'm Maxine that I run come down the road like a Usain Bolt, so.
Joe, Jesus, help me.
What? Maxine, want you?
Lord, you hide me, Mr. Man. You know I know. You know I know. Mr. Man, me and Miss Jane shop my teeth for some sugar, you know. I know asking Miss Jane to catch me, no Joe.
Hi, Maxine, me don't tell you already, you know, Mr. Maxine.
Help me know, I know that my hide me, no, Mr. Me I tell you, Mr. Me in the shop teeth for some sugar. I know ask if Miss Jane to catch me and call all I pick them, and then man have a big stick to let me down.
But Maxine, me already tell you, say I know see him, they leave drop of water, but me rock, you know, your deeds, I go catch up on you.
Joe, another type of help me now, please.
Maxine, me sorry. What? Watch it, see them a come, me can't do it. Come out of me yard. Run, Maxine, run. Them a come, run.
Okay guys, so there you have it. Simple day-to-day proverbs that Jamaicans use. Now, I hope you got value from this video, and I would also encourage you to practice because that is the only way you're going to get it. So just fake it until you make it. Now, I hope that you hit like, subscribe, and also leave a comment in the section below. See you in the next video. Peace. I'm out.
If you want to learn Patwah, Check out Tevin and Shanika. If you want to talk like ya, come down to Jamaica. Patwah corner if you want.